Ever stared at investment options, feeling like you're decoding a foreign language? You're not alone. Investing can be a maze, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're diving into StashAway. More importantly, we're figuring out if you qualify to be part of this investment journey. So, let's get straight to it. Who exactly can enjoy the perks of StashAway? Understanding StashAway, a quick overview. Before we dive into eligibility, let's quickly brush up on what StashAway is. Imagine having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. That's essentially StashAway. It's a digital investment platform that uses algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Eligibility criteria, let's break it down. Now, the million-dollar question, can you join the StashAway family? 1. Age. Generally, you need to be an adult to invest. StashAway typically requires you to be 18 or older to open an account. However, some countries might have different age restrictions. 2. Residency. StashAway caters to specific regions. It's essential to be a resident of a country where StashAway operates. This ensures you're under the correct regulatory framework. 3. Income. While there's no strict income requirement to open a StashAway account, your income level will influence your investment choices. StashAway offers various plans tailored to different income brackets. 4. Investment goals. StashAway is designed to help you achieve various financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, buying a house, or building an emergency fund, StashAway has options for you. The platform's eligibility might depend on the specific goal you're targeting. 5. Risk tolerance. Everyone's comfort level with risk differs. StashAway offers various investment portfolios catering to different risk appetites. Your eligibility isn't about avoiding risk altogether, but understanding your tolerance for it. 6. Minimum investment. To start investing with StashAway, you'll need a minimum initial investment. This amount can vary depending on the plan you choose. So, to recap, being an adult, residing in a supported country, having investment goals, understanding your risk tolerance, and meeting the minimum investment requirement are generally the key factors for StashAway eligibility. How to check your eligibility? Wondering if you fit the bill? The best way to find out is by visiting the StashAway website. They have a user-friendly platform where you can input your details and get a personalized assessment. Additional considerations. While we've covered the general eligibility criteria, it's essential to remember that specific terms and conditions might apply. Financial regulations and StashAway's internal policies can evolve. Always refer to the official StashAway website for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Investing is a personal journey. StashAway can be a fantastic companion, but it's crucial to ensure it aligns with your financial situation and goals. By understanding the eligibility criteria, you're taking a proactive step towards making informed investment decisions. Start your investment journey with StashAway. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Keep exploring, keep learning, and happy investing.